Imagine this, you're trying to run, play, or even stand up, but you can't, because your body has zero energy. Not I'm tired energy, I mean nothing, like a phone with 0% battery and no charger. What if every breath you took never existed? Imagine a world where life fundamentally changed, where plants would stay tiny, no trees, no forests, and animals couldn't move. Now here's the mind-blowing part. What if Earth was like that forever? Let's rewind time way back about 4 billion years ago. No fresh air, no oxygen, no trees, no animals. Just hot oceans, volcanoes, and an atmosphere full of gases that would knock us out in 1 second. The first life forms were tiny microscopic organisms so small that millions of them could fit on your fingertip. And here's the crazy part, they did not need oxygen at all. They survived by getting energy from chemicals in their environment like sulfur, iron, or methane. Many lived near boiling hot volcanic vents deep in the ocean. These organisms are called anaerobic bacteria, life that lives without oxygen.
Now here's the big twist in Earth's history. One day, very slowly, over millions of years, some microbes evolved a superpower. They learned how to use sunlight to make food. This process was photosynthesis. And guess what they released as waste? Oxygen. Lots and lots of oxygen. Those microbes figured out how to use oxygen to release tons of energy from food. This amazing trick is called cellular respiration. Respiration is equal to oxygen in, energy out. Respiration is basically the supercharger that made life explode in variety.
But what if respiration never evolved? Without respiration, life would stay microscopic. Without respiration, cells can't extract enough energy, muscles can't move, organs can't develop, and animals never grow big. Forget it, we wouldn't exist. Plants might still make food from sunlight, but they couldn't grow tall, leaving no forests and no complex ecosystems. Oxygen would never build up, making the air toxic, and skies strange colors, maybe orange or yellow. Storms could carry chemicals like methane instead of water. Oceans might exist, but they'd be lifeless, or filled with invisible microbes. Earth would be a silent, alien world, unrecognizable to anything we know today. Pretty wild, right? So tell me this, if you lived in a world without breathing, what's the first thing you think humans would miss the most? Running? Eating? Talking? Thinking? Comment below. I want to see your imagination. If this made you wonder about life, Earth, and all the what-ifs of science, hit like, smash subscribe. We're just getting started with the universe's coolest questions.